Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies for you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And of course, general reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. And another reminder, hindi ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services, mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, punta lang kayo sa aking website, mysticqueenph.com. Okay. Virgo. Next 7 days, what's the energy for you? Oh, Vesta, passion. Parang you will experience na parang meron kang gustong gawin. Like something that is, you are passionate about. Can be your related sa talent mo, sa skill set mo. Na pwedeng matagal mo na itong iniisip, hindi mo siya magawa. But in the next 7 days, you will decide na okay, finally, I have to do this. Ganon. Kasi marami ka na nakukuhang suporta sa mga tao, sa paligid mo, na alam kung ano yung mga kakayanan mo. Because you're very talented. You also have energy ng Cancer, which is about protection. I feel like there's a strong support, no? Galing sa family mo, or mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. You are also protecting yung pangarap mo, yung dreams mo. That's why you are finally doing it. Kasi yung iba, let's face it, no? Let's be real. Dahil hindi lahat ay hindi lahat may kakayanan na i-pursue yung pangarap nila. Dahil maraming reasons. Pwedeng may iba silang priorities. But for some of you, nandun na kayo sa point na ang gusto nyo ay finally magawa nyo yung pangarap nyo. Ma-achieve nyo yung pangarap nyo. O, diba? May good luck for you. We have Jupiter energy. This is about expansion. You are expanding your horizon, expanding your knowledge, your abilities. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga pag-aaralan, no? Kumbaga, yung interest mo, dadagdagan mo pa ng kaalaman para mas maging expert ka doon. Ayan. Yung iba sa inyo, merong opportunities to work abroad, to travel abroad. May mga offers, no? Para mas magamit mo yung iyong talento, skill set. Let's see what else. I also see sa inyo na kung single kayo, pwedeng merong person na magiging very close sa inyo to the point na you will realize na you want to be with this person. So, overall energy is the 8 of Wands. O, diba? You are finally taking action. Hindi ka na magsasayang ng oras na, okay, ito na yon. If you want to make things happen, then you have to do it. In the next 7 days, you're going to be very busy. Marami kang asikasuhin. Para sa mga goals mo. Now, your challenge is about leadership. May mga times na nagsisecond guess ka sa sarili mo na, kaya ko ba to? Kaya ko na ba on my own? Yes, kaya mo. Diba? If you set yourself na maging, independent, kaya mo. You have leadership qualities. Yung iba lang sa inyo, pwedeng may offer na leadership role tapos pwedeng tatanggihan nyo dahil masyadong maraming responsibilities. Syempre kung ano yung kaya nyo, 'di ba? Pero hindi naman yung ibibigay sa inyo kung hindi nyo kaya. Now, your opportunity, the 9 of Wands, resilience. You have the opportunity to be strong. Kahit na may mga challenges, kahit na maraming responsibilities for you. Okay? Lagi mong isipin na you can be the person that you want to be. You can explore the places that you want to go to. The moon in Sagittarius. Merong yung iba kasi sa inyo pwedeng may mga restrictions na, ay, gusto kong gawin to pero may responsibility pa ako eh. 'Di ba? Alam niyo 'yon na parang, alba, ikaw gusto mong i-explore yung passion mo. Pero hindi siya practical sa ngayon. 'Di ba? But some of you, merong mga taong tutulong, like bibigyan ka ng support na You know, no, it's okay. Kaya mo yan. Sige, i-pursue mo. Whatever that is. Okay? So, you will gain the support. Meron kang makukuhang support sa mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. Now, your blessing is the Ace of Cups. Oh, creation. 'Di ba? Your blessing is whatever you are going to start. Kung ano man tong sisimulan mo, especially that is something na galing sa puso mo. Whether this is a new relationship or this is a passion na gusto mong i-pursue. Some of you, this is your passion talaga. You're finally doing it. And you will be blessed with happiness, blessed with imagination, creativity. Now, your focus is the Six of Pentacles. So, this is balance in your life. Yung focus mo rin is to help others, no? Meron kang kakayanan na tumulong sa iba. Na, kumbaga, kung gusto mong i-level up yung life mo, mas malaki rin yung pagkakataon na makakatulong ka sa iba. Mas marami kang matutulungan. Okay? So, I think that's also your inspiration to be able to help others na importante sa buhay mo. At kung meron ka mang kailangan, merong magpo-provide niyan para sa iyo. Merong tulong na darating. Ooh, butterfly, oh, 'di ba? This is transformation. Things are changing for the better. You are becoming a new version or a better version of yourself. Parang 'di ba, yung mga butterfly, bago sila maging butterfly, very beautiful, colorful, maraming abilities. Galing sila sa pagiging caterpillar, 'di ba? So this is you na you are gaining more abilities, capabilities, mga skill set. Divine Feminine is about fulfillment. You are open to divine inspiration. So yung iyong pagiging creative, mas nag-o-open, mas nagiging malawak. You are creating new things. You also have Sage. Sage is about cleansing. So you're also cleansing your energies. May mga nire-release ka that is no longer serving your highest good. This is also about purification, grounding, harmony. So anything na, toxic sa buhay mo, nile-let go mo na yan, iniiwan mo na yan, and you are focused on the people who are supporting you. Dahil pag napaligiran mo yung sarili ng mga taong nakasuporta sa'yo, nako, ang dami mong pwedeng ma-achieve. Risk. Some of you are going to take a risk. Take a chance. Every risk is a success when you're committed to learning and growth. See? Kung committed ka sa learning, gusto mong matuto, at open ka sa change. Kasi alam nyo, may growth. Kung gusto nyo may growth, dapat may magbago muna. 'Di ba? And then, rebel energy. Maganda to. It's time to celebrate the fact that you don't fit in. Stand on your own 2 feet. Siyempre, na hindi laging, parang i-align lang natin yung sarili natin sa iba, sa gusto ng iba. Meron kang sarili mong uniqueness. And yun yung ipupush mo. Yun yung ipupursue mo. Your own true self. So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.